What's up, campers? This is Colin at AOK RVs in Laurie, Missouri, aka Lake of the Ozarks. Got a video here for you on a big one, a 4-sewer Cherokee 324 TS, 3 slides, 2 air conditionings. This camper weighs about 8,500 pounds. It's a hair over 40 feet. At 8,500 pounds, you're probably going to want somewhere in the neighborhood of 11.5 at the minimum on tow capacity. 2 ACs, Coleman Mach air conditionings, those are the good ones. Have it on clearance right now, big clearance, $38,799. It's got an awesome outdoor refrigerator. Then you got your little blacktop here, little cabinetry for doodads, ice maker, new gray stone style griddle, which has been very popular. All Cherokees come with a backup camera right there. You can set that up, hook that up to your phone. Cargo racks, they say it's 250, 300 carrying, or here it is right here. 200 maximum, I've been told it's 250, but put some bikes back there or whatever you want. Outdoor speakers. A lot of people like this type of a bed because it's east-west with the slide. It's not north-south. That's your backer for your TV right there. Definitely a lot of room in this one. A lot of people bought these down on the lake here that park them at some of these big resorts and pile in a lot of people. There's another TV backer, electric fireplace. That seat, that'll go down for 2. That'll be 2. So far it sleeps 6. There's a second bathroom. Door going to the outside. Some more cabinetry, storage. So 6, 2 would be 8, 9, 10. Probably says it sleeps 12, but it depends on what size people you're talking about. The second AC is right up there. But yeah, this is a big camper. Really nice. You can adjust the temperature back here on that control. But yeah, if you guys got any questions, just give us a call, 573-207-8834. And this is Colin at AOK RVs. Thanks for watching.